Hello beauties, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be sharing some easy, natural recipes for DIY skincare products that you can make at home. We're going to talk about how to make face masks, face scrubs, body scrub, body lotion, and lip scrub at home. Without any further ado, let's get started. Face masks, brightening mask. For instant glow, for this you'll need 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons yogurt, plain and unsweetened, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions to use: mix and apply to your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, and always remember to do a patch test before applying it all over. 2. Hydrating mask, for dry skin. 1/2 mashed avocado, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: mix well and leave on your face for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. 3. Detox mask, for acne-prone skin. 1 tablespoon bentonite clay or multani mitti, 2 tablespoons rose water or apple cider vinegar, diluted, 1 drop tea tree oil, optional. Instructions: apply a thin layer and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off before it fully dries. Face scrubs. 1. Gentle exfoliating scrub. 1 tablespoon ground oats, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon yogurt. Instructions: mix and gently massage your face in circular motions. Rinse off with water. 2. Coffee glow. Scrub. 1 tablespoon coffee grounds, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 teaspoon sugar. Instructions: mix and massage your face gently for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. Juk your ants, body scrubs. 1. Sugar body scrub. 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup coconut oil or olive oil. Optional, add a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or orange. Instructions: mix and scrub gently on damp skin. 2. Coffee body scrub, for cellulite and glow. 1/2 cup coffee grounds, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil. Instructions: combine and scrub in circular motions. Rinse off for smooth, glowing skin. Body lotions. 1. Moisturizing lotion. 1/4 cup shea butter, 1/4 cup coconut oil, 1 tablespoon almond oil, 5 to 10 drops of essential oil, optional for scent. Instructions: melt the shea butter and coconut oil, then stir in almond oil and essential oil. Let it solidify in a jar. 2. Aloe vera gel lotion. 1/4 cup aloe vera gel. 1/4 cup jojoba oil or sweet almond oil. A few drops of essential oil, optional. Instructions: whisk together until creamy. Store in a pump bottle. Mucha style, 1 lip scrub. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon olive oil. Instructions: mix and gently scrub your lips for a minute before rinsing. These were all the DIY at-home remedies that can help you give an instant glow, just like any other expensive skincare products would give. Hope this was helpful. If you have any remedies that you would like to add on, comment down and share it with us. And make sure to update us on how these remedies worked for you. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, take care.